In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a police car here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to make a police car here in Forza Horizon 6, the main option is by using a police style livery. So go to your garage, and then what you need to do is go to whatever car you're trying to make a police car. For example, let's just go ahead and equip, I guess, a Corvette, right? We'll go ahead and put a Corvette on. From here, what you need to do is tab over to the Cars tab and scroll down to Design and Paint. Open this up and select Find Designs or Find New Designs. And in here, what you got to look for is a police one. Now, you can't search specifically for police. I believe there is one in here already. Yeah, this one right here. You go ahead and select it, and of course, it's going to apply that design to your vehicle. Now, once again, you can create your custom one, but most of the times, people just end up using ones that are already created just because it is a little bit faster. From here, I could back out of the garage. I could drive this around. You can also add a police siren horn as well if you want it to be even better. To unlock that siren horn, you do need to go into your collection journal, and you need to specifically go to the Horizon Festival and find on here the speed zones. Open this up, and if you go ahead and do a bunch of these, and the more you do, the better, and there's a ton of these all around here, you can go ahead and get yourself a police siren horn. Once it's unlocked, you can apply it to your car. That is the fastest way, though, to make a police car here in the game. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.